Composition is one of the things in life my microscopic brain can't quite grasp, as you can tell from countless flying heads I've made over the years. Composition is the arrangement of things in your artwork. For example, you want to draw 4 people on a canvas, you can arrange them using a composition so they look more organized instead of crowding the canvas. Why is learning composition important? It is to make your artwork look more interesting, organized, compelling, and most of all so that you don't draw flying heads all the time like I do. There are many compositions you can try, even the ones I haven't even heard of, like focusing. What in the world is that? Today we will obviously not gonna try all of them. Like, what are you, nuts? Today we'll try 3 easiest compositions my brain can comprehend: central cross or rule of thirds, spiral segmentation or the golden spiral, and the triangular composition. Okay, first is the rule of thirds. Basically, you divide the canvas into thirds and place the subjects on these 4 points. Here are some examples of this composition. As you can see, you don't have to use all 4 points. And this is the comparison with and without the rule of thirds. A picture cropped without and with the rule of thirds. Just feel the difference. Do you feel it? Do you feel the difference? Is it cold and fuzzy? I'm gonna draw a thumbnail first. Thumbnail is a tiny, quick sketch to plan the composition, values, colors, etc. before moving to the bigger sketch. Artists use this if they want to test a couple of ideas or show alternatives to clients. It's much quicker than creating big sketches. Today I'm drawing Columbina, as you can tell from the video thumbnail. Oh, by the way, thumbnail in YouTube means something else. It means a picture that represents the video, just letting you know. You can also use the rule of thirds in a portrait mode. I'm thinking of adding Luanotar in there as the supporting element. Okay, I'm running out of ideas for the third one, so I'm just gonna draw her in the middle. I mean, she's still touching the 4 dots. Does that count as rule of thirds? Next one is the golden spiral. I got this image from Google because I'm not drawing that. It looks complicated. I think it has Fibonacci in it or something, and I'm not touching math. Why do you think I make stupid drawing videos? The golden spiral is a very popular composition because it directs the viewer's focus to what we want to highlight. Now, I'm sure all of you know Mona Lisa. If you don't, read a history book for once in a while. Anyway, allegedly, Da Vinci used the golden spiral composition for Mona Lisa. I said allegedly because I don't think he ever said anything on the record. Okay, now I don't really know how to use it, so let me flip it around until I get an inspiration. I will use it in a portrait mode. I prefer portrait to landscape. I want to direct the attention to Columbina's head, so I will draw it on the tiny spiral and make her sit in a curve. Is this how you do golden spiral? Let's try landscape this time. I will keep the focus to her head and draw her hair flowing along the curve of the spiral. By the way, later I will pick the thumbnail I like and make an actual sketch based on it. For the last one, I will just copy the previous thumbnail with a slight change in the hair flow and add Luanotar on the small spiral. Sorry, I ran out of juice for the last one. The third composition is a triangle. Basically, you arrange the subjects until they form a triangle. I guess you can either group them like this or place them in a way that the lines will form a triangle. I cannot form sentences. Anyway, I think the triangles are better suited in a portrait, but then again, I'm biased against portraits. I used this reference, and when I first saw her, I was like, oh my god, that's Columbina if she becomes dark and yandere and Slav. You guys remember Slav meme? Oh my god, it was so long ago. God, I'm so old. To shape the triangle, I will add curtains. I guess this will be that type of triangle with equal length on 2 sides. What do you call it in English? Isosceles? Isosceles triangle. That's so complicated. It's easier in bahasa Indonesia. Segitiga sama kaki. See? For the second thumbnail, let's try inverting the triangle. I'm using a ballerina pose for this and maybe have her hair flowing upwards. I don't know, this one looks insane and not in a good way. For the last thumbnail, I'm gonna try it landscape and back with the Slav pose. This time, I'll add wings behind her and have her hair and dress falling backwards. She kinda looks like a witch though. I'm tempted to add a broom under her. Now it's judgment time. Da 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 dot, pow. Ignore that. Which of these will be turned into the big sketch? I like these two, but I don't really like landscape, so I'll go with this one, I guess. But I also like the Slav Columbina though. Okay, you know what? Let's do this one and then let's do this one. I have created a new canvas and let's fit our golden spiral thumbnail on it. Lower the opacity and we can start sketching. I'm using this picture as a reference. Yeah, it's easy to draw whatever in a thumbnail because it's just scribble, scribble, scribble. But when it's time to actually sketch it, mamma mia, I wanna cry. Use 3D models if you can't find any references or need additional ones. I think there are websites with free 3D models. I will link it in the description. By the way, Columbina's dress is so pretty and the design is just beautiful. But they confused the hell out of me, so do not expect me to draw her dress accurately. I look like that grandma baffled by a technology meme when sketching Columbina's dress. To emphasize the curve of the spiral, I added her wings. Yeah, I believe she has wings. And a circle to drive the focus even more to her face. Yeah, you can add more elements during the sketching, you don't have to follow the thumbnail 100%. I felt that the sketch looked dull, so I added the wings. Just make sure to stay true to the composition though. Now let's move on to Slav Columbina, or should I call her Slav Bina? I'm joking, I'm sorry, don't come after me, Hoyoverse. As per usual, lower the opacity and start sketching. I will color the sketches later. Nothing fancy though, just a base color and soft shadows. We'll just focus on the concept instead of rendering in this video. You know the make it exist first meme? Yeah, we're making it exist first, then make it good later. I don't know when, I don't know how, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. The reference is easy to follow, so I didn't need to use 3D models for this pose. Well, the face is kinda unclear, but that's fine. You know what I like about drawing Columbina? I can draw her eyes closed all the time and nobody will complain. What's that? Her eyes are open now? Well, shit. Anyway, before we're drawing her beautiful yet hard for me to draw dress, I will draw her body first, so it's easier to draw the dress. Nothing too detailed, just the overall outline of the body. I'm drawing her dress on a different layer, as well as the thing you put a statue on. What is it called? A pedestal. Then I made a clean sketch and I actually made a line art after this. I recorded it for my shorts. And that was the first time I tried using soft mapping pen. Bleed. It's a great brush and I will make a dedicated video about line art in the future. But I will leave it like this for now and move on to the coloring. I want to show how you can emphasize the composition using colors. We are back with the golden spiral drawing. Yes, I skipped the base color because it's boring AF. Oh, by the way, you can also add colors to the thumbnails. I saw this artist on Xiaohongshu do that and I was like, that's genius. You can get the big picture of the finished result early on in the concept phase. I also want to add something else to bring focus to Columbina's face, especially her eyes. I think the composition was about yay big. I will add a butterfly on one of her eyes. I was thinking of adding Luonotar, but it's too big, so butterfly it is. Okay, now the drawing looks more interesting. Since I want the focus to be on her face, I will shade the lower half of the drawing so it's darker and apply soft light mainly on her face, and that's it, I guess. I told you, this is nothing fancy. I'll do the same thing with the triangle composition. I'm making the curtains darker and highlighting Columbina. You can also combine the compositions. So this is a triangle and I think I will combine it with a square composition. I got inspired by this image. I think it's so cool. I love tarot card designs. So now we'll add the golden frame. I think I should change the pedestal color. It's blending in with the frame. And there we have it. A colored sketch. Yay! Anyway, yeah, in the end, I chose to render this one. Sorry, I almost died. Anyway, yeah, in the end, I chose to render this one. Hopefully, I don't give up in the middle and go back to binging Young Sheldon, Bazinga, Live Long and Prosper, am I right? What is this outro? Okay, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys later. Bye!